Mama Akwaba, wafreme Ajwa search name, Mesrel, na wa subscribe to my channel. Nia notification bell also for more news. Ebusuafo free SHS students dia we school or first batch His Excellency ebe started the free SHS ban or come on coin who be na wakotetiam ama Johnnie Hughes aoye juma ewo Onia TV na sa media general ne de minima de a NPP aban na free SHS ndi ayomo enda na bella mundi inti aduane form of ready awofo mo ni mopene so e mo free ko school was waji wonse mopene so bella mundi na wa ko school na ne brofo nti amanfo penasem no na I thought say nka wa ko school ne de obehunyansa na nka enye nka free education de wa bohu da no matter what send be ye obi abenya basic education ni be no bella mundi na media general de omo so no mo nti so dogo bi ni abe nti free SHS na na do de abane de ombeka se tia na na do na kasa obenu no hu so de free SHS na ba na ne na say His Excellency na do anka kufu ado a on pensem hu ebeto anyampe ase wa ohwe na aban school no oba no all feel comfortable or no fande ko private school so Ghana for munu yo mwetu kokum nti say Ghana for den abope ababa we akọ Johnnie ni show so na Johnnie no pesenka otutu abofra na no na sesanka afra no ungrateful afra no say me ungrateful da because free SHS ya boa me na me first batch ye aduane pa and still end them pon aduane pa na ekoso na Ghana for na bi no wakasa ababa wa very young girl minim say na ka agenda na almost set you
to your heart and your mind.
Personally, I was really critical on the NPP because I felt like some of the things they are saying they've already done, but I actually think that maybe they can do better because they've done it before. And they are starting, since I enjoyed the free education, I feel like they started on a very good end. So I think that maybe they can improve. I also checked the NPP's own, and it's kind of similar, but I can see there's a bit of changes in it. And I think I have to really go through to make, maybe I may change my decision, but personally I've already decided.
But for now you have actually made up your mind. Yes. So all the talk about double track and feeding challenges in the secondary schools, it doesn't matter to you. As for that one there, yeah, it's happening. For you, you are interested in, we promised free SHS, we have delivered, and that's why I want to vote.
No.
Okay, tell me more.
I feel like they stated it first. When they said that they were going to do free education, people thought that it wouldn't be possible.
That's right.
But they did it. And I've really enjoyed free education. I won't lie about that because it started in our era. It started 20...
You were the first cohorts?
Yeah, we were the first. We started with the gold and green track.
Right.
And during that time, I can say my family had a bit of hardships.
Okay.
Because of the free education, I had like 3 siblings in the university, and my mom was also sick. And that time there was a bit of money issues and all that.
Okay.
So me going to school for free feeding, and even books were given to us for free. I really felt like, yeah, I enjoyed it.
Right.
And it was beneficial to me. But as time went on, there's a bit of hardship here and there. And personally, I think the hardship they are dealing with it, that's how I see it. Because there's a lot of countries going through hardships too, not only Ghana. But maybe Ghanaians see it like maybe they are not putting in efforts. But me personally, I think that they can do more. But also haven't decided whether they can, if I vote for them, they can do what I'm expecting of them. So I'm still going through the manifestos, all of them. And the new parties too that are wishing to like take over, and I'm also going through them.
And no campaign attention. DNT. What you do your voters are doing? What you do ye? Yaje juma boa NDC. People ne ye one. Ko jina no complain about voter roads. O green book no road na me man. Ana onu su uchana for na toko. Roads na wo your green book no. Ewe hi. Ye ka musima enka. Na die nso a e die ni die nya. She type of campaign we your voter. ade kura campaign uye usiasie onof uye oso tumreka ebesinko baby a usi mu freno mu World Bank ese si akura ba umya enu etise microfinance sisi NDC vote ayo mu microfinance onye World Bank bio nyama nana do dankwa akufuado eni ba umya ye no ama vote fo atweama o ka se mre bi atwem nana do ka se vote da na kuma super nti di obeye bia a obeware vote ti se oba no obeye onu bi na ohun o ti asie nduru ya ena aflawo yininu ena yi block ene waka na no atum dwom okasa anyeye o ti asie anka onu po eyobi a ko so babontin no be campaign e ma ba omia efise waye bia man o ti asie teki NDC ni mahama ban say all the time no ejuma no ombe so sika no sei ne ya ti hu kakra bi se mu mfanye ejuma no ne edi sika no boom akoto fie ne yedi ne gana for bre e block you so be see cause so your provision o say o ye estimate ne o say ebe cause say no what tuaka no ansa na wako nkasa e block now so be see 200 no koso tini sika free tema pot na oton no $7 billion no oso tiska no free mama nkabea wangasa seti team no mo investigate wangasa efise why dream papa corruption so wakachi na every bo so who na ye leader of corruption world nobody knows tia sem baku aye kan say so one my hwia emba mejojo e ofota o if you say penfosi se kwatrikwa so be mountuma eya tie ni din mama you one hwi my ofota enti embejojo ye en fa vota embedi agro ye ni abre if you say ye hu ni amapa eni nipa NPP aban ewo ma vota onso wa o gasa o campaign gra wa hu se enko yi efise uye ni ya nka ye bo abasu wa anye ni yi ntinu obia kan di opefa ho mi de mi fi se wa emergency wa ja o campaign ewo north ebesi ko vota no mi ni so o ko se oh c'est dire mini nana debe ajiman kwanchen abrewa grandma madam laya udi adanu me ko na ko hwegu inu o kami donyami voter market bi na ko esa ka boy be bunu o kabo ebe bunu o twantro na penfo so wo treaty mahama instead of say we the veterans supposed to be chosen as a running mate no we did threat at mahama life so ama mahama se see wakofa uzua onse na ko wagu ani masi wa market o hwe campaign na egu sisi ni amape bia no mu campaign amu dia kan mu anu ntro oh let's tell them something